Today and tomorrow, we are going to take a virtual field trip to explore Christmas around the world. So, here's our table of contents. We will be doing the left side today and the right side tomorrow. The first slide is going to explain to you what Christmas is. So you're going to read this paragraph and then you're going to look closely and record your observations. So you're going to look at these two pictures that were taken close to Christmas and then you'll record what you see. Next, you are going to pack your bags. So again, we're only doing 3 today and 3 tomorrow. So we will be doing United States, Mexico, and Germany today. So you guys won't see these 3 on here until tomorrow. So you're going to click on each destination to experience how cultures around the world celebrate winter holidays. There are stickers like these at each stop that you're going to collect. So the way you do that is you have to click Control C. So you're going to look for these 2 keys on your keyboard and you're going to push them together to copy. And then to paste them here in your suitcase, you're going to click Control V. In order to get to each country, you're just going to click and it will take you to that slide. Or you can just go in order, just clicking your arrow key. So first we have the United States of America. So you're going to read this paragraph talking about how we celebrate Christmas here in the United States, and then you're going to watch this video and answer these 4 questions. So 1, what day is Christmas celebrated in the United States? 2, what do Americans put under their Christmas tree? Why? 3, describe the decorations Americans use for Christmas. 4, what kind of food do most Americans eat for Christmas? You can even include what your family eats for Christmas or whatever holiday that it is that you may celebrate. Here we have some info about Christmas parades, and then there's a video for you to watch. It's the Disney's World Christmas Parade. And don't forget to collect your stickers by clicking Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Here in this box, you've been asked to design a float for a Christmas parade. Describe your float. What will it look like? Who will be on it? What will make your float unique? Which means how will it be different? Next, we're going to explore Mexico. And after reading this passage, you are going to create a caption for the picture below that describes Mexico's Christmas traditions. Make sure to use details from the text in your caption. So remember, a caption describes the image. So that's what you're doing there. And then we're going to have a read aloud, The Legend of the Poinsettia. And then you will answer, who is the main character of The Legend of the Poinsettia? What is the setting of The Legend of the Poinsettia? Remember, the setting is where the story takes place. What problem does the main character face? And how does the main character solve their problem? Over here, our directions say, click the picture to learn how to draw a poinsettia, then take a picture of your drawing and upload it to place it in the frame below. If you're not sure how to do this, when you take your picture, you're going to save it to your Chromebook, and then you will go up to Insert, and then click Browse, and then your picture should be there under Pictures, and then you're going to just select it and place it here. Lastly, we are going to explore Germany. So you're going to click the picture to explore a German Christmas market. And then you're going to read this passage and write a summary on how Germany is celebrated, or how Christmas is celebrated in Germany. And that is where we will pause.